In the US, there are only two absolutes, death and paying taxes. At this time, there is no way out of either one, and the future does not look bright as well. If you find yourself on the wrong side of the IRS, you may be in luck if you qualify for their IRS tax forgiveness program. This program falls under the offer in compromise part of the US tax code. This program does not have a guaranteed acceptance policy, and it is totally up to the IRS to offer it to any taxpayer who qualifies. The program has a whole lot of stipulations, and you must be prepared to show them that you are fully qualified for the OIC program, or you will not be accepted. Programs like this make it possible for taxpayers who owe the IRS back taxes or have a debt to the IRS to settle for a lesser amount. The OIC, or offer in compromise, is one of the ways that the IRS has come up with as a way to collect on the amount of overdue or delinquent tax payment owed by taxpayers. The addition of these programs into the tax code signaled to many that the IRS was looking to be a bit more flexible in how they go about recovering more money that is owed to the government. This type of program was designed as a way for the IRS to both maximize the collection of the amount of tax money the government is owed, while making it a lot less painful for the taxpayer. In order to qualify for an IRS tax forgiveness program, you first have to owe the IRS at least $10,000 in back taxes. Then you have to prove to the IRS that you don't have the means to pay back the money in a reasonable amount of time. The IRS is going to go through your assets and income potential with a fine tooth comb in order to determine if there isn't a likelihood that they would be able to collect the full amount of back taxes that you owe. If it determines that it is in the government's best interest to settle for less money, then they will make offer of compromise. As a leading firm that offers tax resolution services to our clients, we are uniquely qualified to help you figure out if in fact that you do qualify for an OIC through an IRS tax forgiveness program. We can help you determine if in fact your specific situation is one that the IRS will at least consider worthy of offering an offer in compromise deal. Since there is absolutely no guarantee that you will be accepted, we can offer our expertise to help you determine if you should even pursue it as an option. While it would appear that the IRS is softening on the taxpayer, rest assured that their true goal to ensure that they collect as much from you as they possibly can. IRS and state tax representation tax forgiveness program helps for clients throughout Southern California, including Norwalk, Santa Fe Springs, Downway, Pico Rivera, Montebello, Hacienda Heights, La Hebra Heights, West Covina, La Hebra, Bree, Fullerton, Yorba Linda, Cerritos, La Mirada, and many others.